Do you want to maximize your returns and achieve your financial goals? Today, we're exploring the key elements of developing a successful investment strategy. Firstly, understanding your risk tolerance is crucial. This step helps you decide the type of investment suitable for you and the level of risk you're willing to take. By aligning your strategy with your risk tolerance, you create a more balanced and suitable portfolio. Next, setting clear investment goals is a key step. Whether you're aiming for long-term growth, retirement, or a specific financial milestone, defining your goals allows you to tailor an investment strategy that meets your objectives. Then, we have diversification, a fundamental principle in any investment strategy. Diversify your investments across various assets, sectors, and geographical locations to minimize risk and potentially increase returns. Research and due diligence are also vital. Analyze potential investments, understand their historical performance, evaluate their management teams, and assess their prospects. Consider using tools like Dilex to enhance your due diligence process with efficient data analytics. Remember, an effective investment strategy isn't a set-it-and-forget-it approach. Regular monitoring and adjustments are essential to ensure that your investments align with your strategy and goals. Market conditions and economic factors can change, so be ready to adapt. If you ever feel overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Investment professionals and financial advisors can provide valuable insights and help you develop a tailored strategy based on your unique circumstances. Lastly, maintain patience and a long-term perspective. Investment is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid making hasty decisions due to short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your adaptable investment strategy, always keeping your ultimate goals in mind. In conclusion, effective investment strategies require careful planning, research, and a disciplined approach. By understanding your risk tolerance, setting clear goals, diversifying your portfolio, conducting thorough research, and regularly monitoring and adjusting your investments, you can maximize your returns and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the journey of investment is not a sprint, but a marathon that requires patience and perseverance.